to Nangka High School, of course, with their school head, Sir Haji Tejada, and to all the awardees during this awarding activity that you are holding tonight. I'd like to say congratulations to all of you. This activity is actually a very good example of on how we show our support to women for gender equality and women empowerment. It is also an effort for inclusion, for growth and development, not just of women, but also to those whom the women serve. And may you continue to support women and their cause so that we can create a more egalitarian society where people are treated as equal contributors and given opportunity for growth and development so that everybody can participate in building our nation, not just of men but also of women. Sabi nga natin, ang gender and development, and when we also talk about women empowerment, hindi naman dito pinag-uusapan kung sino ang mas malakas, mas makapangyarihan, mas maraming contribution, but rather we're talking about how we can give equal opportunity, hindi lang sa mga kalalakihan, but also to women, so that all of us, kumbaga, lahat tayo ay magsasagwan bilang isang bansa upang mabilis ang pag-usad, mabilis ang ating biyahe pag lahat ay nagsasagwan upang marating natin ang ating destinasyon o ang nais nating marating bilang isang bansa. Not just of women, but not just of men, but also of women contributing, no? Contributing in the journey where we want to go as a nation. So to all the awardees, thank you very much and congratulations to Sir Haji Tejada and to the Nangka High School family. Thank you very much and congratulations to all of you. Mabuhay po kayong lahat.